Welcome to Spatial. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download ALOS Digital Surface Model (DSM) data from JAXA website. So JAXA stands for Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, combined with EORC, that is Earth Observation Research Center. So ALOS stands for Advanced Land Observing Satellite. So the resolution of this digital surface model data is 30 meters. And these are the important links which I'll be sharing in the description. You can just check it out. So these are the process involved in downloading the data set. Now let us see the difference between the DEM and DSM data. So the DEM and DSM are both digital representation of the Earth's surface, but they differ in the type of data they represent. So DEM data represents the bare Earth, whereas the DSM, that is digital surface model, represents the surface features and features like vegetation and buildings. So DEM represents the bare earth surface, shows the ground elevation only, represented as grid or contours. It is mostly used in GIS, surveying, cartography and environmental studies. As you can see here, DEM data mostly represents the bare earth. Okay, and the digital surface model, that is DSM data, represents the earth's surface including objects. So what are all the objects? It can be tree or buildings. So what are all features present on top of the earth's surface will be also taken. So it includes building, vegetation and structures, provides surface height with object elevation, and used in urban planning and 3D modeling. So this is the example where you can see that the data represents Earth's surface features. You can see those objects like built up, then trees, what and all features are there on top of the Earth's surface. Those data sets, elevations will be also taken into the account. So in summary, DEM shows the bare Earth's elevation and DSM shows the surface height including objects. So DEM is more detailed than DEM. Open the browser and type in JAXA ALOS DSM. Now hit search. You can see the first result, ALOS World 3D 30 meters dataset. So this is the link. I'll be sharing the link in the description. You can utilize this link. So this is how the website looks like. So you can just see. So this is a globally available dataset, global digital surface model, right? 30 meter resolution. If you just come down, you can see how much area it has been covered using this DSM dataset. So the latest version covers almost major continents except parts of Japan and Antarctica, right? If you just come down, you could see the registration link. So in order to download this dataset, we need to register it first, register ourselves. So in the download section, you can find user registration. Now click on this link. Here we need to fill out our name, affiliation, some personal details, and after that we need to just agree the terms and condition, and if we need to just click on input check. So once you have completed the registration, an email ID will be sent, and we need to just confirm the registration by clicking on this link, and after that a separate email will be sent to us where our username and password will be given to us. Using that we can download the dataset. So once everything is done, you can just go back, and in order to download the dataset, you can see under download section you can find the datasets, the link from where we can download the dataset. So just click on this link, and you can see here the username and password will be asked. We need to enter our username and password which has been sent to us by them in email ID. Once you have inputted your username and password, just click on sign in. Signing in, you can see the page how it looks like. This is the grids from where we can download our dataset. For example, in this case, I am interested in this particular grid, right? And you can see this red line. This is the line separating the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now I'm interested in this grid, so I'm going to click over here, and you can see here within this grid there are several grids are available. As you can see, when I just move on the mouse cursor, you can see those grids. You can download those grids. If you want the entire grids, you can download it from down below. You can download each grids, or if you want particularly some region, for example, in this whole area I am just focused or interested in this part, you can click once again, and you can see once again there are several grids are available, right? If you want, you can download the entire grid by clicking on the top. Otherwise, you can also go for a smaller region. For example, my area of interest lies in this grid, right? Click on here and you can have a preview of the area, and directly click on download, and the download will be started. Now you can see here the download has been successfully completed. Now we can have a look at it in GIS software. So for that we need to just extract the file and extract the file here. Once it has been extracted, you can just go inside it, and the interested data you can see here, which we are interested in, DSM data, right? So it is around 25 MB. So this is the data which we are going to import it into GIS. So once it is done, click on new empty project, and now go on to layers, add raster layer. You can use this button to browse the data. So now I'm going to select this DSM dataset, right? Now click on open and add it. Now you will see the image, how it looks like. You can also change the color scheme of this by right clicking on and move on to properties. Here you can choose single band pseudo color. Here you can click on, and you can see create new color ramps. Click on it, and inside this you can choose. So here you can choose catalog CPT city. Click on OK, and sometimes it might take some time to get to load. So here topography, if you just come down, you can use any of this color ramps. So I'm going to use this color ramps. Click apply and click apply. Once again click OK. Now you can see here how the data sets look like. So if you have any other doubts in this, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye everyone.